Look at that panda. It is sleeping on the big wooden log.
It looks very soft and fluffy. I want to take a perfect photo.
My name is Sophia. I am a student and I love animals.
Hello, Sophia. I am Leo. I am a photographer for a magazine.
That is a very big camera. Is it heavy to carry all day?
It is a bit heavy, but I like high-quality pictures.
The panda is moving its ears now. It is very cute and small.
It is actually a very big animal, but it looks like a toy.
I am writing some notes about its behavior for my university class.
That is interesting. Do you want to be a doctor for animals?
Yes, I want to help lions and tigers in the future.
That is a brave dream. Lions are very big and strong.
I am not afraid of big cats. I think they are beautiful.
You have a very kind heart, Sophia.
The panda is eating bamboo now. It uses its hands very well.
I am taking a photo of its face. The light is perfect now.
Can I see the picture on your small screen?
Of course, come closer. Look at its black and white fur.
Wow, the details are amazing. You can see its little nose.
Nature is the best artist in the world.
I agree. Every animal has a special story and a face.
Do you have a favorite animal in this zoo?
I really like the giraffes. They are so tall and orange.
The giraffes are in the next area. Let's walk there together.
That sounds like a great plan. I have my map ready.
I am not good with maps. I always get lost in big places.
Don't worry, Leo. I am a very good guide.
I am happy to follow you. Let's find the tall giraffes.
Put your camera in the bag. It is a 5-minute walk.
Okay, I am ready. Let's go and explore.
We are here at the giraffe area. Look at their long necks.
They are eating leaves from the top of the tree.
Their tongues are very long and purple. It is very strange.
I am taking a video of that giraffe. It is very funny.
Giraffes only sleep for 30 minutes a day. Did you know that?
Only 30 minutes? I need 8 hours of sleep every night.
Me too. They are very different from humans.
Look at this photo. The giraffe is looking directly at my camera.
It looks like it is smiling for you, Leo.
Maybe it likes my green vest. It looks like a leaf.
Maybe. It thinks you are a very small tree.
I want to get a photo of the baby giraffe. It is so tiny.
It is staying very close to its mother. It is safe there.
Families are important for animals too. They stay together.
I am drawing a quick sketch of the baby's spots.
Your drawing is very good. You are an artist too, Sophia.
It is just a simple hobby. It helps me remember the animals.
I use photos, you use drawings. We're a good team.
Yes, we are. The sun is very bright on the grass now.
It is a perfect day for a zoo visit, not too hot.
I see a sign for the elephant house over there.
Elephants are the biggest animals on land. I want a photo of them.
They are very smart, and they have a great memory.
I hope they remember me from my visit last year.
Maybe they do. They have very big brains.
Let's go and say hello to the elephants now.
I am checking the map again. It is to the left.
Thank you, Sophia. You are a very fast guide.
I am excited to see the elephants. They are very majestic.
I am ready to take 100 more photos today.
We are at the feeding platform. We can give them snacks.
I have a small bucket of carrots. The giraffes love them.
One giraffe is coming to me. It is very, very tall.
Hold the carrot in your hand. Be very gentle and calm.
Its nose is very soft. It is taking the carrot now.
I got the photo. You look very happy, Sophia.
It was a very cool feeling. Its tongue felt very dry.
I want to try too. Hey there, big friend.
Leo, the giraffe is trying to eat your hat.
Oh no, my hat is not a vegetable, Mr. Giraffe.
It thinks your hat is a very tasty brown snack.
I saved my hat. That was a very close moment.
You have a very funny face in the photo I took.
Did you take a photo with your phone? Let me see.
Yes, look, you look very surprised and a bit scared.
It is a great picture. I will keep it forever.
The giraffes are going back to the trees now. They are full.
I am a bit hungry too. Is there a cafe nearby?
There is a snack bar near the monkey area.
I love monkeys. They are very active and very noisy.
They like to play with balls and ropes all day long.
Maybe we can see the chimpanzees. They are very clever.
I have some apples in my bag, but we cannot feed the monkeys.
That is true. They have a special diet from the zoo doctors.
Let's go and get some ice cream first. I love vanilla.
I prefer chocolate ice cream. It gives me a lot of energy.
The ice cream shop is near the big blue fountain.
I can see it from here. It has a big umbrella.
Let's walk quickly. I am very thirsty too.
I will buy the ice cream for us. It is my treat. Okay, where are we now? This zoo is like a giant maze.
We are near the penguins, but we want to go to the lions.
I see the penguins over there. They are swimming very fast.
They look like they are flying under the water.
Wait, the map says the lions are near the entrance.
No, Leo, you are holding the map upside down.
Oh, you are right. I am very embarrassed.
It is okay. Look, the lion icon is at the top.
So we need to walk past the zebras and the hippos.
Yes, it is a long walk, but the zebras are very pretty.
I love their black and white stripes. Every zebra is unique.
Just like human fingerprints, no two zebras are the same.
I am learning so much from you today, Sophia.
I am happy to share my knowledge. I study books every night.
I study the world through my camera lens every day.
We both see the world in a very special way.
Look, there is a group of flamingos. They are very pink.
They get their pink color from the food they eat.
I want a photo of them standing on one leg. It is so cool.
They can sleep like that. They have very good balance.
I cannot even stand on one leg for 1 minute.
Me neither. I would fall down immediately.
The lion area is very close now. I can hear a loud sound.
That is a lion's roar. It is very loud and powerful.
It makes my heart beat faster. It is the king of the zoo.
Let's be very quiet. Lions like to sleep in the afternoon.
I hope they are awake for at least one good photo.
Look, the male lion is sitting on the big rock.
He looks like a king on a throne. He is magnificent.
Get your camera ready, Leo. This is a perfect moment. This vanilla ice cream is very cold and delicious.
My chocolate cone is melting fast. I need to eat it quickly.
We walked a lot today. My feet are a bit tired.
We saw almost every animal in the zoo. It was a big day.
My favorite part was feeding the giraffes. They are so gentle.
My favorite part was seeing the lions. They are very impressive.
I have many new notes in my notebook for my class.
And I have over 200 photos on my memory card.
You are a very good photographer, Leo. Your photos are like art.
Thank you, Sophia. And you are a very smart student.
I hope I can work in this zoo one day as a doctor.
I am sure you will. You have a great passion for animals.
The sun is going down now. The sky is turning orange.
It is the golden hour. It is the best time for photography.
Everything looks so peaceful and quiet now.
Most people are leaving the zoo. We have the path to ourselves.
I like the zoo at this time. It feels very private.
Do you live far from here, Sophia?
I live in a small apartment near the university.
I live in the city center. It is a bit noisy there.
Maybe you should come to the park near my house. It is quiet.
Is there any wildlife in that park?
Just some squirrels and many birds, but they are cute too.
I like squirrels. They are very fast and busy.
We can meet there next Sunday if you are free.
I would love that. I can bring my camera again.
And I can bring some nuts for the squirrels.
It is a date then, a squirrel photo session.
That sounds like a lot of fun, Leo.
Let's finish our ice cream and walk to the exit.
Here are the big gates. The zoo is closing now.
I had a wonderful time today. Thank you for being my guide.
Thank you for the ice cream and the beautiful photos, Leo.
I will send the best panda photo to your email tonight.
I will show it to my teacher. She will be very surprised.
Tell her a professional photographer took it for you.
I will tell her I met a new friend today.
I am very happy I decided to visit the pandas this morning.
Me too. It was a very lucky meeting for both of us.
Do you have your phone? I want to save your number.
Yes, here it is. It has a green frog case.
Okay, I have it now. I will text you tomorrow.
I will wait for your message, Leo.
My car is in the parking lot over there.
I'm taking the bus. The station is just across the street.
Do you want to ride home? It is getting dark.
That is very kind, but the bus comes in 2 minutes.
Okay, stay safe. Wave to me when you get on the bus.
I will. Good luck with your magazine photos.
I will think about our zoo adventure while I edit them.
I will think about the giraffes while I read my books.
Goodbye, Sophia. See you next Sunday at the park.
Goodbye, Leo. Have a nice evening.